At Home in Place, we are now hiring for a tenancy relations officer in our team. This is a great opportunity for you to make a meaningful difference. It's a property management role where you'll be able to support the people who are most vulnerable in our community. You can definitely read about it in our job adverts, but why not hear about it from one of our team members for yourself?
Hi, my name's Christy. I'm a Tenancy Relations Officer for Home in Place. I've worked at Home in Place for over 10 years now. What attracted me to Home in Place was the ability to do what I love whilst also helping my local community. One thing that I really like about working here is that every day is different. I have a lot of variety in my role. Some days I'll be out doing inspections, other days I might be helping out with community events. Engaging with our tenants is definitely a highlight of my role. It's really rewarding being able to help some of the most vulnerable people in our community. Home in Place has a really supportive workplace culture. I am part of a great team and I have a manager who really encourages my growth and development within the company. What we do at Home in Place is incredibly important. It's a great feeling to know that when you go to work, you are helping make the world a better place.
At Home in Place, we have a range of great benefits for our team members, which include
flexible working arrangements, discounted gym memberships, and not-for-profit salary packaging.
To view our full list of job vacancies, please visit our website at homeinplace.org.